Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm unboxing a football jersey from the Seattle Seahawks. Of the player is Russell Wilson, and it's size 52 Nike. Here's the three. It's stitched. Here's the NFL size 52. 12th man. Seahawks. Nike. Nike. Three stitched. Three stitched. Fabric is stretchy. Wilson is on the back stitched. Stitch three on the back. See, it's all stitched. And that has been my unboxing of Russell Wilson jersey. I love this jersey. Fits really good. And take care. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.